Welcome to Zaanse, home of these awesome windmills. Difficult to pronounce, Zaanse Schans is a community patterned after the charming Dutch industrial neighborhoods of the 18th century. You might wonder how industry can be charming. Think windmills. The Zaanse River region boasts the oldest industrial area of Western Europe, a direct result of the Dutch Golden Age in the 17th century. From all over the world, raw materials such as cocoa, paper, oil, and wood came to Europe through Amsterdam. So the Zaanse region created over 600 industrial windmills to take advantage. Forts, called Schans, once guarded the Zaanse River from Spanish invasion, giving the area its name, the Zaanse Schans. In 1946, a group of local residents, the Zaanse, wanted to preserve the local industrial heritage. And when you have dozens of cool windmills, why not? Since 1961, windmills from the region have been moved here for preservation. You can see working windmills, shops, and museums. To walk here is free. Museums and windmills have individual entry fees. We are right there. A stack of millstones. Yes, but do you have any cheese in this cheese shop? That's nice right there. They've got these huge bases to turn on so they can stay into the wind. We're up on this high path and there's a low path down there, and the water level is higher on the left than the right. Low side, high side. We should all go on a kayaking trip. The water is super calm. It's not wet, and there's no waves coming up or anything.
And it's not cold at all.
Not at all cold. And I don't have a poncho on.
Those canvas sail parts, they have to put them away at night and stuff, or if there's too much wind, just like a ship.
So it doesn't tear the sail?
Yeah, they have to get up there and put them up and take them down. It's a big deal.
Some type of crazy smell here. It's kind of like a sweet, woody, chocolatey, rotten chocolate kind of smell. It's like a real lumber mill. Wood stacked in there and out back over here. Okay, we're at De Jonge's shop. And this looks like it's a windmill that's actually still working and powered by this huge windmill right up there. We got all these boards laid out that they've sawn, and so we're going to go inside and check this thing out. This wind-powered sawmill cut rough planks from whole timber logs. With a mere 5-man crew and multiple blades, these mills were a huge technological advancement. They increased production and efficiency many-fold over manual labor. Eventually, wind power was replaced by steam and electricity, and mills like this fell into disrepair. Wow, look at that! Obviously the windmill is connected to these saws going up and down, and they're speeding up and slowing on depending on the speed of the wind. This windmill is unique, as it is a reconstruction from exact measurements and drawings made before the original mill, built in 1680, was demolished. Today's version was built in 2007, and it is named Het Jonge Schap, meaning the young sheep. Okay, here's the diagram of how the mill works with the gears. So here's the big wheel that the windmill spins, and that turns the shaft going this way on through that interlocking gear. Goes down, has a shaft turning this way, and then makes it turn that way, and then it has a cambered shaft that moves these saws up and down. The bottom of the saw coming down and moving, got a big wheel moving the log through the saw. Piles of sawdust in there.
Smell the sawdust falling out. I can smell.
Oh yeah, it stays because this can turn around into the wind however it goes. Yeah.
That is a feat of engineering. Here's the pylons we're walking around.
The brick right here. Oh yeah, and all down. Oh, there's another log that was just cut all the way straight across. All the different saw cuts on a log. So you get this big board through the middle, these big ones on the side, and then little ones around the outside. Clapping. You slow down. Come on, baby. Yes.
Oh, look at it go. This one's simpler.
A lot of windmills. That one was for woodworking, but a lot of the windmills were used to actually pump the water out of these canals to drain the fields. So they'd build the canals like this and put a windmill on the end with a pump on it, and then they'd have a dry field. Okay, we're down here and the water is way up there. We're below. Hurry, Tamara, it's about to blow. It's gonna leak. Here you go, Chris. Your next one from Schans. Voila. Ooh, that's a nice one.
So if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe.